this I don't know how, what's up. Yeah, okay, I got that. The session is being recorded. Yes.
Can you record on your system, right?
Oh, it will be recorded in my system?
No, you need to raise you need, I'm not sure what you can see on your system right now, but I need to make some settings. So just give me a second to remind me convert settings, convert draw. Yeah, you can record in session, I guess. I haven't,
No, I don't get, I got only two options, the presenter and organizer only.
just a minute. You're only attending the meeting, right? That's what you can see right now. Uh, give me a second. How will you cost that? Applications, connections, audio, webcam, no, that. Okay, I will start a session. Can you see any options from your system? Record the
No,
session.
actually this shows that the session is being recorded, but I don't get any options when I click on that.
I understand that, but in your system, are you getting any options?
No, I don't get any options.
You're not getting any options.
Yeah,
Give me a second. Just disconnecting that. How you can stop
yeah,
the screen. Just give me a second. Let me quickly check that how you can make it. Okay.
yeah.
Because usually people receive that one. Okay, that's because
Yeah.
get that option. Just give me a second. Because I haven't made that one that you can't. Okay. Okay, so then we had discussed about the mappings, so top to bottom mapping and bottom to top mapping. Service
Yeah.
industry is using the ITSM framework, and ITSM framework is being used by the ITSM tools, and one of the tool is ServiceNow. Okay, and now then after that, what we discuss about the bottom to top mapping. ServiceNow is an ITSM tool which is on the ITSM framework and which is serving to the service industry. Fine.
Yeah.
That's what we
Yes.
did. Yeah. So what happens if people ask multiple time that, okay, so this is a development tool, or what this tool is that? Okay, for example, if you talk about Java, okay, so that is the completely a development tool, right?
Yeah.
Have you listened about the Oracle middleware, SOA? Okay, this all the middlewares. I think the C and C++, I think you might have heard as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's all
Actually,
the
yeah, it's in the undergrad.
yeah. So that's all the development tool, and also the Eclipse, one of the options, Java, .NET. This is all the development tool which is serving to the hardcore
Yeah.
development. Okay,
Yeah.
but here this tool is serving to a service industry based on some framework. The framework already has been decided for this tool. Okay, but what happened is by the .NET or Java, that framework which they have gave where you do all kind of code, you can decide your own framework, how you want this framework to work, right?
In
So this
in the Java.
already sorry,
Yeah. In the
yeah,
Java, right?
yeah. So this already a built tool. You're not making a new tool. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
this tool already has been made, right? This is a product. Okay, we are working on the product. We are not developing anything. This is already a product. Okay, we are working on a product. Fine.
Yeah.
Any questions? Okay.
No.
Might be in the starting, ServiceNow have decided on the Java platform. This will be on Java platform, and we will give this
Okay.
feature and by this way. Okay.
Yeah. We're gonna use the JavaScript only, right? In this.
Yes. So what happens in ServiceNow? ServiceNow is a Java-based tool. Okay. It's completely
Okay.
used the JavaScript. But if you talk about JavaScript, not completely. The meaning of the complete is here that okay, it's use JavaScript, but we have made a hell lots of classes to customize the product. Okay, so what happened in ServiceNow? Although it's based on the JavaScript, all the development is in JavaScript, but you are not exposed to the that level. That level means the multiple functions are available in the Java library, JavaScript library, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, ServiceNow provide own classes, own methods to use that to perform any development activity on a ServiceNow. Okay. So if you
Yeah.
think, if you go to a JavaScript and if you're not able to find a Java, if you're not able to find the ServiceNow functions, which is 100% correct, that's because that is the ServiceNow libraries. Understood my point?
Yes.
Okay. Because for an example, if I am developing my tool, I made one script, or just say I made one class or one function, okay, which I want to call for the another development activity, right?
Yeah.
So what ServiceNow did, ServiceNow made its own classes, which we say the APIs, application programming interfaces. Okay, we use that interfaces and we do development in the ServiceNow, right?
Yes.
Understood? Okay.
Yeah.
One main point is here is you never exposed to the uh, application layer or the database layers. Okay, if you're thinking like you will have to write SQL query, that's not correct. Which is not 100% correct. Okay, okay, let's
Okay.
not go into this because there is a lots of permutation and combinations of the code. Okay, so the idea is very simple to make you understand the tool first. Okay, then we'll talk about the development in the later trainings. Okay,
Yeah.
any issues on this?
No.
Okay, now let's take a very simple example. For an example, you are a bank, okay, and you want a banking software. Okay,
Okay.
is it good idea to open our own new IT company and start developing the things?
In developing the softwares
Yeah,
and all.
product for your bank.
Okay. Or requesting a software company, right, to
No.
create the software of my bank.
Yes. What my question is, for an example, there is a Bank of America. Okay.
Okay.
In future, Bank of America. Okay. Let's talk about future. 10 years back or to 20 years back, year back. Okay. Bank of America could open their own IT company to support the banking industry, right? Their
Yes.
bank, correct?
Okay.
So
Yes.
is it a good idea to open a IT firm or to for a bank?
It's good, but not on all the conditions.
Yes,
Not on all
correct.
the situations.
Yeah. So bank can open a IT companies, but see, it always depends on a core business. Okay. For an
Yes.
example, there is one retail company whose core business is to retail. For example, they are making TVs, okay, televisions, microwaves, fridges, okay. So their core business, what they are doing, they are uh, selling the things or retailing the things. Correct.
Yes.
For a bank, financial transaction to maintain entire banking is their job to do. Correct?
Yes.
But for managing the entire accounts, entire banking, they need a software systems. Correct.
Yes.
For an instance, if the bank think about in such a way, okay, will make my own company and they will start uh, developing the new software for us. How much effort will go in that, and when they will able to get a delivery, right? Maybe
Yes.
3 4 years. So what bank does all the time, they buy a ready-made products from the IT companies, right? For as
Yes.
yeah, for an example, if Microsoft says I want to manufacture a new phone, okay,
Okay.
they won't, right? They will
Then
hire a company, okay, to manufacturing for a, or either they will go in a that contract, correct?
yes.
So what system does, what all the companies do, they use the other companies to do their work, correct?
Yes.
Likewise, if we talk about the Microsoft, if we talk about Apple, uh, okay, let's not talk about Apple right now because there was one more, because Apple gives the orders. Okay, Apple have a tie with the Foxconn. Foxconn is a company which manufacture the Apple phone. Okay, the couple of more
Yes.
vendors. Any major company or any giant, it's not reliable. It's not based on a one vendor. They have 100 vendors to make this one thing. Correct.
Correct.
Okay. So what is the core business? What is the core business of the banking? To do a banking job. Okay.
Yes.
For making a good banking or for increasing customer services, they always request for the softwares from the IT firms. Correct. And IT firms have
Yes.
a core business IT. They want to sell a software to them. Right. That's why they come with the new versions, new features, new functionality all the time. Correct.
Yes.
Yeah. So if any company want to manage their IT environment, they go with the service now. Okay. So we discuss about the any questions
No.
till
No.
now? Okay.
No.
I'm going in a bit deeper. Okay, so that you can understand
No.
better. Now the popular ITSM tool. So we discuss ServiceNow, BMC Remedy, blah 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 blah. Okay. I hope you know by now
Yeah.
that ServiceNow is not only a fish. Okay. These are lots of fish in this market. Okay,
Okay.
this is the versions we discuss about. I can skip that slide. Any concern on this?
Okay.
I can skip this.
Nothing.
Okay,
Yeah.
product, then we talk about what the products we have. ServiceNow link, we talk about that. Okay, then we talk about, I had told you about the certifications. Okay, community, we can find it. ServiceNow.com is the one learning source. uh, okay, then they have a
Yeah.
yearly conference and knowledge. Okay, there's a demo registration
Yeah.
page, then demo application architecture, recovery. I think you still remember that it's maintains 7 daily backups and 3 weekly backups. Okay,
Yeah.
then we discuss about the 3 portals: ServiceNow production, development, tests. We had also seen the training instance. We also had seen the uh, development 2 instance as well, correct?
Yeah.
Then we
Dev.
had,
Dev too.
yes, correct. So if you talk about dev 2, it entirely depends on a company what they request. Okay, because that's a hosted application. If you talk about the links, okay, the URL which actually instance name. Okay, so what happens there, they can request, okay, they might say, okay, I want a dev 2, dev 5, dev 6, whatever they want. ServiceNow can create that. Okay, it's just a
Okay.
suffix. Sorry, it's just a prefix. Okay, for them.
Okay.
Fine. Okay, then
Yeah.
we had discussed about the HireServiceNow.com, which is a customer relationship portal where you can make all the requests for the vendor. Okay, so what happened if something goes wrong with the Microsoft your just for example, if any company is using any software, okay, let's take this instance. Uh, for example, the bank is using the Oracle database, correct?
Correct.
If something goes wrong with that product, okay, they will always consult to that product company. Okay,
Okay.
always each and every company who are selling the product have a CRM, customer relationship management portal. Okay, that way they can engage with their customers. Okay, any concerns,
Okay.
any issues? So like for this we have a hi.servicenow.com. Okay, let's
Okay.
talk about the user management today. Okay, any issues?
So
Any
this works as a centralized database for every company or any bank or any
sorry?
IT. This service now works as a centralized database. Everything goes through this.
Uh, can you elaborate more? What you asking?
Uh, if there are two persons like A and B,
Yes.
if A is sending a ticket to B, so
Yes.
this does not go directly, right? This passes through service now, right?
Well, we won't say it will pass. We will say it will be stored in a ServiceNow platform, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in a backend, ServiceNow use Oracle, MySQL as well. Okay. So we are not sure where the data is based because it's all hosted by your data centers. Correct. That's what we discussed yesterday.
Yes.
Okay. Any more concerns?
No.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so let's talk about user administration today. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's quickly go to analytics about this. Close this as well. Okay. Uh, fine. So likewise, we had discussed about this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I had told you yesterday that this all the okay, let me quickly open the markers. Okay. So this is a search one. Okay.
No. Can you share me your screen?
You can't see my screen? What?
No.
Oh, sorry. Um, screen. Is it fine? Can you see now?
No.
It will be sometime. It's already here.
Yeah. No.
It's fine. Okay, that's great. Okay, can you see the red one?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a logo. It's can be highly customized. You can make it by your name. Then if you talk about this, the search boxes, the person who is logged in is setting one. The page which you can see here is the reading plane or the development plane, we can say, for now, for your understanding. There's a lot of technical terms which I'm not using at this moment. I'll start using from next sessions. Okay, but for your understanding, I'm
Okay.
using the different terms. Don't get a thing this way. We call this. Okay, I'll start using the term
Okay.
from next week. Okay, so you can
Okay.
search anything. This is the person who is logged in. Okay, this
Okay.
all the things, these are all the applications. Okay, so all the applications
Yeah.
you can
Okay.
see here. Okay, fine. Just give me a second. Fine. Okay, there's a project. So these are the modules which we have here, right? We
Yeah.
have discussed about this all the modules. There are many other modules which are available here, but they are as a plugins. Okay. In the ServiceNow administration certification, they ask which one module is available for all the users? So the answer is self-service. This is a module which will be available for all the users, self-service. Okay, regardless
Okay.
whatever role you have. I haven't discussed about the role right now. I will discuss by the next week how the role works. Okay. Today
Okay.
I'm going to talk about the user administration. Okay. Before that, I would like to say, if you, okay, just give me a second. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so can you see the notepad here? No?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we'll discuss about user administration and we'll talk about the role as
Okay.
well today. Okay. Okay. So for an example, just take in this way. You access your account, right? Your university account, correct?
Yes.
There may be some support as well is available, right?
Yeah.
You can drop a mail or you can directly talk to a technician so that they can resolve the queries or any issues. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Is it possible that for you there is a one email address and the password your own profile, but from the back end they may say I have hundreds of the work, correct? At the same
Yeah.
time 100 people requesting for the password reset or they miss something. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, if I say this, who are the application admins, right? For them the view should be different as compared to end users. Am I right?
Yes.
So for an instance, you are able to see some components. Okay, let's check about 1 to 10 scale. Okay, for an instance, let me okay, okay, so this we have a system applications, right?
Okay.
We have a admins, we have a end users, we have a uh, component admins, right? Okay,
Okay.
so for example, my system have a 10 modules, or I can
Okay.
say the component I can say is a module admins, right? So
Yeah.
I can say my application have the 10 components, right? For admin,
Okay.
they should able to see the all 10 components, correct? For end user, they should only able to raise a request or they can view a request. For admins, they may be a different rule. Okay.
Yeah.
I want them to see only 2 components.
Okay.
Understood the point?
Yeah.
It's
They
just
can
like,
see the, yeah, the admin can see the whole thing, but the
yes,
user can see only whatever they need, right?
yes, yes. And this is a module admin as well. Correct. I will discuss
Yeah.
in detail about the module admins in the sessions only. Okay.
Okay.
So, if you talk about service now, is a role based system. Okay. What is the meaning of
Yeah.
role based system? If you can tell me.
Uh, it plays something in some kind of a job in some network, right?
Okay. Okay. So as for network concern, we are not concerned about the networks. Okay. As
Okay.
for as the role is concerned, what we do, uh, how the system has been designed, that ServiceNow is a role-based system. If you say what is a role-based system mean, for each and everything they have a dedicated role. Okay. So for an
Okay.
example, if I say, for an example, just say in this case, set join XYZ company, correct?
Okay. Yeah.
Fine. Now, if I say that you joined some XYZ company and you are a ServiceNow
Admin, right?
yes admin, and you want to see all 10 modules, right? So
Yeah.
you should have a admin role, correct?
Yeah.
Now, if any end user is there, do he require any role?
Uh, yeah. You
Yes.
have to give him, right? He
Yes.
has to see if I am an end user.
Yeah.
The university provides me the user ID and password that I can see my uh, subject data, whatever my professor gonna post it, right?
Correct. So as the end user, okay,
Yeah.
ServiceNow by default, this is a by default, okay,
Okay.
is a by default feature that if you are able to log in ServiceNow, you automatically get a feature to raise a request or raise an incident, whatever things. Okay, there are many things will come into picture later on. Okay, so this feature is
Yeah.
by end users. Now there's a component admins as well, right? Or I can say the module admins. Okay,
Okay.
there may be module admins. So for example, there's an incident management, right? There may be problem manager, there may be change manager, right? You have seen a different application right now, right?
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I think that might be not clear for you. Let me show you the applications. See, this is the incident management, right?
Okay.
It's a problem management, right? Which I just written.
Okay.
This is a change management, correct?
Okay.
So for
Yes.
as an admin, I can see all.
Yes.
But in an IT environment, there may be 100 people, right?
Yes.
There may be one particular job which is for the incident management, maybe a problem management, change managers. Okay. For now, you need to understand this. For getting the access in ServiceNow for any module, you should have a role. It is the high level argument right now. Is it fine?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me revise that what we have discussed till now. We discussed about the roles. Okay, till now we have discussed about the application design. It is a role based. We just discussed about what they thought in a process while designing the entire applications. Correct?
Correct.
Okay. Any issues? Any concerns till now? Any questions?
No, I'm okay.
You're fine. Okay.
Yeah.
So till now, what you understood from till ServiceNow? What you understood about ServiceNow? Can you just brief me?
Yeah. It plays an important. It plays a role, like that it can see 10 whatever the options it has, and whatever the changes can change. Then
Mm-hmm.
it can make everything, but the users, like person me, like a student like me, he can watch only one of that or two of that, whatever they're gonna give it in that,
Mm-hmm.
whatever they're gonna give the options to me. But here the module admin means it comes as my professor, right, who gonna post the data.
Yeah. So if you talk about what are contents is available by your teachers, or we can say professors. There may be a finance department. There may be the HR department, not HR. They in a finance department. They may be the electrical. They may be IT, computer science, right?
Yeah.
So
Or admission department,
yeah.
like that, right?
So each and every department may have a dedicated module, right? As the admin, you
Yeah.
can see the all modules which are available in the application, but your finance director will be able to see the finance module. Making sense?
Okay.
Any issues, any
Yes.
concerns? Okay,
No.
fine. What I'll do quickly, I will not go for the user admission pattern. I just want to make you understand something. Okay. Okay, fine. Focus on this one for now. For example, in okay, today is 24th, let's say 25th
It's 20.
July. Okay,
It's 24th, right?
oops, I'm saying tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, it's 2016. Okay, you are not able to access your emails, right? Every
Okay.
time. Okay, what you are, let's make in this way, step. Okay, make an issue. Okay, you're not able to access your emails. What you're going to do?
The college emails or only the
Your college emails, simple.
uh, then we might have the college website, so we may get the announcements in that. So we can, whatever the announcement they're gonna post in the college website, we gotta get it in the email. So no, if it is get blocked, so we can use the college website to get the information whatever we require.
Fine, so you have a college website, your announcements, you also, okay, there may be some customer care, right?
Yeah.
Or right, there may
No,
be some
actually, they post everything in the college website. We have the options for every subject, like announcements, assignments,
fine.
and discussion board like
Okay,
that. So whatever they're gonna post in there, we get in an email to our Gmail.
sure. So for instance, you are not able to, okay, so Gmail, I think you will get a OTPs on your phones, right? Is it
Yeah.
the case? Okay. Just take in this way, you are not using a Gmail account, your university have a own accounts, correct? Or they are pay the customer cares, like, so just take in this
Yeah.
way, you are not able to access your online banking, correct? Let's remove the college
Yeah.
one because your college is maintained by the Google or in the Gmail. Okay, if you're not able to access your online banking account, what you want to do?
So we gotta go to the. We gotta
Sorry.
use it as an offline account. So we're gonna use it as an offline account. So we need to go to the bank. So to perform any process like transactions or deposits or
Okay,
anything, we need to go to the bank and we have to do it, right?
yeah, but if you're not able to access your online banking account, they ask you to phone to their online banking team, right? Or we say the customer care,
If we are not able, yeah, we gotta call to the customer care.
correct? Fine. Okay, let's make in this way. Why ServiceNow, why IT service management tool are important? Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
so you're not able to access your online banking account, you call to your customer care, right? Customer care,
Yeah.
you get details.
Yeah. Yes. You're gonna ask
They
for
ask for
account
the,
number, rest of the stuff
yeah,
like
they ask for
last
the
name, date, DOB.
account number, DOB. Sometimes they ask for the last transactions, right? Correct?
Yeah.
They ask about the card number, blah blah things. Correct?
Yeah. Security number.
whatever, this doesn't matter. Okay,
Yeah.
it gives you details. There is one call, right? And in the end of the call
Yes.
gives you a reference number, correct?
End of call gives your, yeah, confirmation number.
Yeah, of course they will give you, right?
Yes.
Okay, so just take in this way, just take in the environment. Okay, I'm seeing the environment. Now we have, okay, let's say environment. Let's make a IT. Okay, environment is IT now. Okay, so I just
Okay.
told you that okay, I think I am holding account with the Kotak Mahindra. Okay, in India.
Okay.
It's a pretty old account.
Okay.
Last month I received a mail from my bank that okay, from 14th of April or 15th May, okay, from 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. to morning, we can say 12, okay, you won't able to access your account because there is a maintenance, right? Have you
Okay.
ever
Yeah.
received this kind of messages ever?
Yeah. Through my college. Received
Yeah,
it.
there is some maintenance is going on, right? They ask you not
Yes.
to log in there, correct? If you talk about the
Yes.
IT, okay, okay, let me say in this way, okay, you are a client, there is one client, let's say Bank of America, right?
Yeah.
And you are working for your client, you may form the Accenture in
Mm.
this way, and you're supporting
Okay.
to BOA, correct? Now
Yeah. Okay. Accenture is maintaining the
BOA
data.
account, it's not bid,
Yeah.
just okay, let's
Yeah.
not
The
go in the
software.
technical terms right now, or you will be confused from that. Okay, let's just make a very simple one. There is one client, there is Bank of America, and the entire product, or I can say the project, is being maintained by the Accenture only. Okay, I'm just making very simple things right now. Okay,
Yeah.
now
Okay.
when Accenture got a project, okay,
Okay.
let's say you can say the project support, right?
Okay.
It's a support project, fine. Okay,
Yeah.
now my client is using ServiceNow,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Fine. Okay, any issues, any concerns till now?
No.
Okay, now it's a I, okay, so if we talk about Ascension now, there is a IT manager, right? Or I can say is a
Yeah.
project manager, right?
Okay.
I'm just making more simpler here. Let's say for supporting your this bank is a team, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so there is a three team, team 1, team 2, team 3, fine. So what is the entire scenario is, there is a one BOA, Bank of America project. For supporting that project, there were three teams,
Okay.
fine.
Yeah.
What the agreement they made, I want a 24/7 support.
Okay.
There is some noise is coming down. Are you noting down something?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I'll send you this. Okay, that's fine. If you wish, you
Yeah,
can.
I'm not, actually I'm not writing everything, but the key points, like something.
Okay, that will be great. Okay. Just trying to make you understand how IT works. Okay, that is the entire argument.
Yeah.
So there's a one team. See, my one team is in a USA. Okay.
Okay.
My one team is in India,
Okay.
and one is UK. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Fine. I have three teams. This is the arrangement which Accenture made. Okay. So
Okay.
in a daytime, I can say India is a night time,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And the noon is UK. Fine.
Yeah. Yes.
Understood. Any issues, concerns? Feel
Yeah.
free to ask. No problem.
No.
Okay. Now, if I say this, let's say this. There is a BOA, Bank of America. Okay, let's make it
Okay.
more clear. Client BOA. One user. Okay. His name is Tony. Simple.
Okay.
Okay. He reports that there is an incident. Okay. There is one incident that he is not able to log in, let's say, email account. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now let's say about the Accenture now. Accenture is handling the
Support.
AD. Yeah. So in a support, they're handling the Active Directory AD server. Okay. We had discussed about this. Active Directory is the master source of data. Correct? All the user records.
Yeah.
Correct? Okay. Now, so I can say it. Okay. So in IT, everyone have a different skill set, right? So might be you are working on service now. There would be someone who are working on the portal development. There might be someone who is working on the Java. There might be someone who working on the Exchange, right? So there will be a
Yeah.
specific skill set. Correct.
Correct.
Okay. This is a AD server. Okay. Team who actually take over all the email accounts. Okay. Whether it's logged out or whatever. Okay.
Okay.
Now the arrangement is there is a AD server team. Correct.
Yeah.
Now if he is not able to log in this account, agreement is Accenture will take care of the ticket. In Accenture, the ticket will go to the AD server team. Correct. Because how it will
Okay.
be routed, right? It may be wrong routed as well. Correct. Might be it.
I did not understand. Can you tell me once?
Sure. If I am raising issue for my email account, okay, and it's going
Okay.
to the any database team, okay, which is
Okay.
nothing to do with this ticket, what they will do, they will
Okay.
transfer the call, right?
Yeah.
Okay. In this specific scenario, here Accenture, we have a support for the AD server. AD server, a team of 5 people, 5 guys, okay,
Okay.
and one of the guy, one of one member, I can say it, but will work on ticket, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. This is the entire scenario. Okay, now question number 1. How ticket will come to group? Q2. Who will handle this ticket? Correct? I can ask
Yeah.
these questions, right? Question number 3, what I
Yeah.
can say? What is the response time?
And who gonna solve this?
Yeah, we will discuss it
Okay.
later on. Yeah. What is the response time?
Response.
Yeah, so I told you, right? You will get your phone in 4 days, 5 days,
4 days.
right? Yeah, what is response time? What is
2 minutes.
SLA? Service level agreement, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. I can ask this question, right? So whenever you go in any restaurant, right? You ask, okay, so okay, let me make this one. Domino's say is advertised all the time like, okay, your pizza will be delivered in 30 minutes, right?
Yeah.
What they say, your pizza will be delivered at your doorstep in 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So in 30 minutes, what they need to do? They need to place an order. They need to make that
Yeah.
pizza.
They need to play.
They
Yeah.
need to
And we
pack that
need to
pizza.
pack it
A guy should get that pizza in 30 minutes
and
and
deliver
deliver
it.
at your doorstep. Correct.
Yes.
So if someone is making an agreement, okay, I'll do in 30 minutes. So there is a breakup is important, right? Breakups in a for 30 minutes, how it will be. Okay, if for 3 kilometers usually it takes 10 minutes, so my pizza should be ready in 20 minutes, right?
Yes.
Am I right? Any
Yeah.
issues? You understand my point?
Yeah.
Okay. Likewise, we are not making pizza here. Which pizza you like?
Uh, the chicken. The chicken.
Chicken, barbecue chicken.
No. Buffalo chicken.
Sorry, which one? Beef.
No. 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 The buffalo chicken.
Okay, that's it. Okay, no problem. Okay, so okay, so by when any company give a project to any company, a lot of agreement is made. This issue should be resolved in this time, right? The couple of things which I can also ask.
Okay.
Q4, say Q5. What is priority? Right? I can
Which comes
say,
under this?
sorry,
What is What is
priority.
priority means?
I'll let you know. I'm just writing the question. The priority means on a day, if you need to do 100 tasks, you say this is important for me, this is not important for me, right? For an
Okay. Yeah.
example, if you are going to write exam, just say, okay, I must have a blue pen, okay, I must have the scale, I can say the ruler one. I can say, okay, okay, I need pencil, but that is not important, right? I need a red pen, but that's
Yeah.
not important, right?
Yes.
Correct. When you have less time, you always decide the urgency of the anything, right? When you want to think, correct.
Yes.
So for example, if your train is going to depart in 10 minutes or let's say half an hour, what's your urgency? You want a ticket in next 10 minutes so that you can get to that platform, correct? Because
Yeah.
it usually happens all the
I.
time, correct?
Yeah. Yeah. We need to take the ticket and reach the platform, whatever it
Yeah, of
is.
course, right? Okay, that's great. Okay. I can ask these questions, right? So 6 questions, let's answer this. I'm going to a theory right now. I will show you on the system as well. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. This is the one environment of the incident. What I can say it's an incident, right? Right?
Yeah.
Let's talk about user administration, right? What I told you in the morning, sorry, yesterday, that okay, there is one user. We say that okay, so there is a AD server. Correct? It
Yeah.
stores all user records. The first name, last name, employer number. So might be you are having account, so might be you have your enrollment number, right? For this enrollment number,
Yeah.
this is the results, correct? Now we say the email
Yeah.
address, we say the location, and we can say the passport number sometime. Okay, I'm not I'm talking about this one. Okay, location may have the mobile number. Then we say okay, what is the phone number, right? Correct?
Yeah.
And we can say it, okay, do we have an image? Okay, your photo, okay. Then we can say okay, so you are reporter, your manager, right? Or I can say
Yeah.
your let's make it your class teacher, we can say, right? Your manager, right? So
Yeah.
for all the assignment and for all the attendance, you should go to your class teacher, right? All the time, right? For any
Yeah.
approvals, right? Okay. So AD server is store all the records. Okay. There is a more hierarchy. There is a one level more. I don't want to go into that right now. Okay. Want to make sure. Okay. So for an example, this example, there is one uh, okay, so let's take in this. Jack is a new employee,
Okay.
right? Right? Now,
Yeah.
HR may ask above this, just let me write down that, not important to discuss, but we'll discuss. There will be the HR systems. Okay. HR system, what will do, like when the people join, the background verification, blah blah things. Okay.
Okay.
We just store that. Okay. So I'm just skipping this right now. It's not nothing to do with right now. Okay. He's a new employee. What he should have? He should have all these details, right? Which we
Yeah.
have put here, right? Now he want to log in ServiceNow, right? He can log in ServiceNow. ServiceNow by AD account and password. What is the AD account? Okay, so what happened? 0.3 here.
The user ID and password which has been created for
Okay,
him.
so whenever any
Doesn't
employee
it?
join a company, yeah, I understand your point. Whenever any user join a company, a system is allocated to them. Okay, system is allocated, right? So
Yeah.
that they can check their mails and blah. Okay, whatever they want to do. Okay, for accessing the company premises. Okay, issue a card. Lots of things goes there. Okay, the system is allocated to them. Provide you the user. Provide you the email addresses. Okay, by this email address you can access this. They will also give you the password all the time, right? When you had join your college, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, any user can log in ServiceNow by this AD user and a password. But in ServiceNow, this detail is stored in a sys_user table.
Okay.
Okay. This
Yeah.
is the table which is stored all the user records. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Fine. Any questions?
Yeah.
Okay,
No.
that's now you can also create a new user. Am I right? All the
Okay.
time you have
Yeah.
options to create a new.
Yeah.
I'll go with all these points on application as well. Okay.
Yeah.
I will send you the PPTs as well. I'm just going through just for that you understand the things. Okay.
Yeah.
You can also create a new user, right?
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah, I understand, because it's my college website is being at making support by some other company. They
Yes.
that means working in that will create a user ID and password for me, right?
Yes, correct. Okay. You
Then
can,
I'll be the end user in that.
yes, okay. You can also create a new user all the time. Okay.
Yeah, the admin, right?
Yes. Okay, let's
Yeah.
talk about some uh, okay, let's, I'm going to leave that point here because I thought I can mention it here, but it's not the right time to mention that point. Okay, this is our hierarchy right now. Okay, so by default we have a ASS roles. Okay, there's one role name. Okay, end users, we can say
Uh,
the
it's only just name, right?
is a role. I'll let you know how it works. Okay, fine. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll repeat it. Don't worry. I just written that here. Okay, don't worry. I'm here to resolve all your queries. Okay, you can also
Yeah.
create a new users.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
By default, they have a ASS roles. Okay, now employee joined that. Okay, what was that? Jack. Jack is a new employee. Okay, you can create a new
Yeah.
user as well. That is the not important, although I'm making it. Point number 7. Jack is going to join service. Okay, let's is going to join, what was that name? AD support, right? What was that name?
It's
AD support team, right? Okay,
yeah.
AD support team, right? Okay, let's take a real time. Usually what will happen, I'm just going to real time so that if you're going first day, you should understand. Okay, many times there's a request to give ITL role, right? What ITL role
Yeah.
does, I'm skipping a point. If you see, I have skipped some points here. I will cover that. I'm trying to cover the entire scenario here right now. Okay, request to the
Yeah.
ITL role. Okay, or people draft in such a way. Request. Okay, please grant a role to Jack as Amanda. It depends in which country you are working. All the time, the comments will be different. Okay. Okay. Now let's cover a more scenarios here.
Okay. Jack. Okay. Jack will be as a Amanda here, right?
Okay. So Amanda is a team member, AD team member, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Fine. Okay. Let's cover scenarios again. Okay. There was one incident. Okay.
Okay.
That Tony was not able to log in email account, right?
Yeah.
The issue should go to the AD server team. Okay. They have a 5 guys. Before 2 days, yeah, I mentioned date 24, right? I mentioned somewhere. Yeah. On 23rd, one guy joined a new team. Correct? His name is Jack. Okay.
Yeah.
All the IDs is done.
Okay.
Location is done. He is onboarded now. We use a term as onboard. Okay. If you were somewhere, it will
Yeah.
say we will make you onboard in 2 days or 3 days. Onboard means they will give you all the access which is required for you, all the things which is important for you. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Now then his manager. Okay. Let's make one more point here. I think
Jack.
yeah. So let's make say his Ibrahim. Let's say his name is Ibrahim.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jack's manager. Jack. Correct. Here is a request on service now. If you say as a service request, right?
Yeah.
Fine. Let me make it more clear for you. Okay. Now, what do you think? Where the ticket will come?
Mm, asking to be Jack to be as an Amanda in
Yes.
the AD team, right?
Yes.
They'll send the ticket right like
Yeah.
that to service now.
Correct. So ticket will come to service now, or I can say service request will come to service now team. Am I right?
Yeah.
4. When tickets comes to us, what we can ask? We can again ask the 5 questions, right? Am I right or wrong?
Yeah. How ticket will come to the group? Who will handle this ticket? What is response time? What is SLA? What is priority? What is urgency? Right.
Yeah.
The SLA means. Can you repeat the full form for that?
Service level agreement. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But these terms which we are saying here, response time or priority and urgency, is not related to the request. Request is your general request. Okay. Requests don't include the urgencies. Okay. Who will handle ticket response time? You already done SLA. Okay. For example, any access related call. We say is a 4 hours. So what you're seeing here, if I say this statement that each and everyone in IT organization is interdependent,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's take I have covered the picture. Have you got the picture? What is happening somewhere? Okay.
Yeah.
Let me cover the entire picture in one shot now. Okay. Now there is a client project support 2027 handled by the Accenture, supported to the BOA. Supporting team is
Yeah.
US, India, UK. Okay.
Okay.
End user is raising this request. Okay. The client is there. The
Okay.
client is adding this request. Before 4 days, user joined, or the employee joined, going to support the AD team. If I say here Accenture, I think it will be Accenture. Correct. Fine. Okay. So if you can see, each and everything is interdependent, right? This user
Yeah.
from Accenture, correct? Now
Yeah.
he's going to part of this team. Now what is going to happen? Okay. So how it will be ticket, response time, SLA, priority, urgency. This all the things will be decided by ServiceNow as per the agreement with the client. Okay. Response time,
Yeah.
SLA, priority, urgency. It will be decided in the contract, which will be between Accenture and BOA. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. How the ticket will come to this group? There will be some condition on which the ticket will come to the group. Okay.
Okay.
Now we will discuss about this client BOA later on in the sessions only. Okay. We will talk about this
Yeah.
first. Okay. So now let's go on a system. Okay. Okay, let me show you something on the profile first. Okay, so this actually I can't make that this button. Okay, the profile will show your details. Impersonate user, you can see the others user view, what other people is seeing. For example, if you impersonate your finance department head, you will able to see the all finance modules, right? If you are impersonating your electrical department, you will see the all the electrical module, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it just gives you a feature. It is just a feature by which you can see the others view, what other people is able to see. Okay, elevate role, I am skipping this for now because it's nothing to do at now. Is log out, you can log out from system. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Any concerns, issues till now?
Yeah. No.
Great. Now you can search it. Okay,
Yeah.
you can also do some settings here. Okay, so you can change a theme. I'll
Okay.
discuss this later on. It's not a problem.
Yeah.
What is there? Just trying to make you understand system, how system behaves with the real time.
Okay.
You can
Okay.
change it to this blue, clean, black, red, whatever color. Okay, it depends
Yeah.
on your. I'm not sure, but you can't make new. Okay, here for now. I would like to say. Then it's a
Yeah.
form. It's a developer. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see developer. So there's a couple of things is available right now. I want to discuss it going through a system at this moment. Okay, fine. See, is green now. Correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
which is your favorite color? Black, blue, red? Don't say red.
White and blue.
White and blue. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So where you from? Yeah, you from where you are in India?
It's from Andhra. Andhra Pradesh.
Is Telangana or Andhra Pradesh?
Andhra Pradesh.
Hyderabad, is it?
No, no. Hyderabad comes under Telangana.
Oh yeah,
Actually,
yeah.
I've done my schooling in Telangana, but I was born and brought up in Andhra Pradesh.
Where, especially in Andhra Pradesh. I've been in Hyderabad sometime. I also be this one. Guntur something is in Andhra, is it?
Yeah, I studied in Guntur,
Okay, yeah,
my
yeah.
education.
Yeah, because as being a North Indian, I'm not sure about the language. So one time what happened is I wanted to take a bus from Guntur to Chennai. Okay, I had some work
Okay.
there. I was confused because they exactly, it's not a good, I did say that it's on their local language. Okay, it's all the Telugu completely. Okay,
Yeah, Telugu.
yeah, completely. But in Guntur, like many people understand Hindi. Yeah, Many people, I have seen that. There's many people, and all I can say then they are, I think,
But they
80%.
can't speak Hindi very much.
Yeah,
But
but they,
when you go,
yeah,
but when you go Hyderabad, most of them they can speak in Hindi.
yeah. In Chennai, the people
But
don't. Yeah,
yeah, but in Guntur they can understand the Tamil
Tamil.
easily.
Yeah, it's, yeah, because just
But
it's a
in
border, right?
Hyderabad they cannot.
It's
Yeah,
just a border, right? Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Now it's a
Okay.
capital, right? So
Yeah, it's a capital now. Yeah,
they make
it's good.
Guntur.
Okay. Yeah, so sometimes language issues. Okay,
Yeah.
I
You're
understand.
from which state?
Well, I'm from Lucknow. I'm from UP.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So I have many friends who are from the Andhra. I have many friends.
Okay.
Yeah. But I have seen that there's a rivalry between the Telugu and Tamil. I am not sure of how much is true,
No,
but is it true or not? I
no,
don't
no,
know.
no, not right. Uh, that's a different kind of thing, but I can explain, but it will be quite different.
I understand. I understand. Just joking apart. Okay. But yeah. So in my last organization, there's a many people like uh, Telugu, Tamil all the time. But it's
No,
okay.
actually,
Yeah.
there is no rivalry, but
Yeah.
the Tamilians look, they behave like a cheap guys. Yeah, usually I've seen a lot of them like that. There are some of
Yeah,
them.
it's completely different community. Yeah, I've been
Yeah,
in
some,
yeah,
yeah.
I've been with the Telugu guys.
Actually,
Yeah.
yeah, actually I have one of my roommates before, he's a Tamilian guy.
Okay.
His name is Bala. Actually, he worked in Scotland and he came to US.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't like his behavior even. In my room, no one will like him. So
Scotland
I
is
just asked him to get
a
out
lot
of my apartment.
of. Okay. Yeah, it's different community. Yeah.
They're
Okay.
good, but their behavior will be very nasty. I don't like it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I understand that. Okay, fine. So let's talk about user administration. So if you want to see that, okay, what you type is user administration. Then
Yes.
it's a dedicated module. You can see here, user administration. We've seen that.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about the service now. Correct. You need to type user admin in search box. Fine. So the moment
Yeah.
if you want to, if as a service now, user admin. Okay. Okay. So there
Yeah.
is a, or you need to click on the user. Correct. You're going to system as well, that you can
Okay.
understand that. Okay. So step 1, click on users. Fine. Any issues? Any concerns till now?
No.
Okay, that's great. Now it's all the users. You can see it's 5, 6, 8 users available, right? It's all the
Yeah.
users who can
These are
access
all
now.
the tickets, right?
No, it's not a ticket, it's a user. For an example, there's a 2000, sorry, it's more than 20,000 users for ServiceNow if your university buy ServiceNow, right? So it's a
Yeah.
centralized database for ServiceNow. Okay. In the future, if your
Okay.
university buy ServiceNow, so the count will be around 20,000 plus. Okay.
Oh,
Understand my point?
is that a minimum?
It's not minimum. They may be,
20,000 is a minimum?
no, it's not. They may be lot. Okay. I don't want to discuss about the technical architecture right now, but some uh, some company have more than 1 lakh, 2 lakh. It depends. Okay. There's no limit. As of now, I can say in a rough word, but it's not like that. I don't want to go into technical terms right now. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So it's all the users. They may be, some company have more than 2 lakhs. Okay, some company have uh, 50,000. Okay, 30,000. Right. This all the users.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Any questions till now?
Okay. No. These are all the users for a particular company, right?
Yes. So if you go in your organization, if you join a new job, okay, you will,
Mm-hmm.
if you go in a user, you will
Okay.
be able to see all the users who can log in ServiceNow. Who are the users of ServiceNow in a typical words. Okay. There's any doubt?
No.
Sure. Cool. Okay. Just click on someone. Let's talk about the Jess. Okay.
Yeah.
So as a admin, you can see the details. So for example, there's user ID, first name, last name. It might be stored in your university database as well, like this. Title may be anything, right? May the developer.
Okay.
Okay. Password will be from
Yeah.
your area account, right? Logged out.
Yeah.
If the user is not able to, with the logged out. I don't want to go with the web access as they. It has nothing to do right now. The location, right? The company.
Yeah.
The enable
Yeah.
it's a customize. I did some customization there. Okay. By default it won't be available. Unavailable start date, end date. Fine.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay. So this is a user profile. I can see in a high level is a user profile. Here you can see all the details, right? Time zone, database, business phone. You can also add more fields, but I will let you know in the next session how you can add more fields there. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. So for now, this is a user. So let's make a new user for now. Okay. Instead of new user, because although it will be in your system, okay, I would like to go with this user right now. Okay. I will also let you know how to create a new user as well. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Simplest thing what you need to scroll down. You can see this is the sections. You can see here roles, group,
Okay.
delegates,
Rules, groups,
visibility
delegates,
domains.
visibility domains.
Yeah, so it won't be available. Okay, just ignore this. It's a different. It comes in a different aspect, the domains. Okay. For now,
Yeah.
focus on roles, group, and delegates. Let's talk about delegate. Okay. For an example, if any assignment is okay, if any assignment should be approved by your class a professor, right, or say the class teacher, right,
Yeah.
and he or she on leave, what will happen?
They're gonna remove her from the user admins.
No, I'm not talking about the application aspect. I'm talking about the general aspect. You will get a sign from HODs, right, head of department, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
delegate. So yeah. So likewise, delegate is a feature where user can set the delegation for them. For an example, if any manager is not available in the office or is going on leave, he can authorize other person to do his job, okay, or just delegate him
Okay.
approvals,
Okay.
other things, correct? Okay.
Yeah.
Now it's a group will tell us that this user is part of the how many groups. Okay. Now role will tell us which role they have. Okay. So for an instance, just talk about this scenario here. It's Ibrahim, Jack's manager, right? He raised a request.
Okay.
I'm skipping this part as well. a service request is coming to you, okay, and service not team. Now you need to assign an ITL role to them. Is you need to click on edit. You click on leave. In middle of the session, I had told you that it's a role-based system, right?
Yeah.
If I type ITL here, you can see the ITL role here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you might want to know about what ITL admin. So let's talk about this. Let's go back. So if Jack want to work on the BOA Tony's issue, he should have access of system where he can see tickets, right? Or he should be part of that group as well. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. So first of all, we're going to remove this rows here. It's just a box. We call it is a slush bucket. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So ITL role. Okay. If we are giving ITL role to Jess, we copy his name here. Okay, now he will have access for the certain modules. Okay, see, you can see that as well. He changed to this role template this. Okay, so if you are giving anyone ITL role, okay, let me make one more statement here. Whoever work in a IT environment or ServiceNow environment, I can say, okay, they will be part of the some group. If there is a IT organization who is in a support, if like for the BOA, okay, they got
Yeah.
a support for the email accounts, okay, so they need to have access for the that server, that they will have to take access for this application as well. Okay, by this ITL role, they will able to see the incident management, so that they
Okay.
can view the Tony's ticket there, okay, and they can work on that ticket. So for each and every ticket belong to some support group. Okay, most of what happens is they need to go on the system, they need to check the system, is there any ticket is pending, they need to resolve that ticket as well. Okay,
Okay.
let's save this. What I did, there may be very simple request. What I did here, the request for the access the ITIL role for Jack, so it's Jess now. Okay, I'm just looking at the Jess.
Okay.
Understand my point? So people can
Yeah.
ask for that, okay, we want to have role, correct? Now it's fine.
Yeah.
Now all you need to update this. Fine. What you did, you on request of
Yeah.
Ibrahim, you gave a role to Jess. Okay. Okay. If I am talking about Jess,
Okay.
if you go with the costing part, each and every role cost to the company. Okay.
Okay.
So if is ServiceNow, the licensing is based on the count. Okay, how many people have a licenses. Okay, if you want to use any module, there would be a license. Okay, we'll discuss somewhere about the licensing as well, but later on. Okay,
Yeah.
all in all, what I did, I just added a role. Okay, let's take a look of a Jess. Okay, what he can see now. Okay, that's what you want to know, correct? if he want to work on ticket, what will happen? See, what I did, I just copy pasted name here. You can see the Jess name, correct? Now we are seeing after assigning the role to Jess, what happened? Okay, this by system default. Okay, fine. Now let's talk about this. Okay, fine. Have you observed these things in the left hand side? Self-service, search,
Yeah, self-service.
incident bomb, change, collaborate, time card,
Yeah,
configuration, service
collaborate,
catalog,
time card, change.
Quincy view. Yeah. So the module access has been changed, right? That's what I discussed in the
Yeah.
starting. Correct? So this is the role
Yes.
which we give to the user to work on tickets. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions till now?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Are you
No.
understanding each and
Yeah.
everything, or I should be
Yeah.
slow or fast? The speed is
I'm
fine.
okay with this. Yeah,
Fine.
this is fine.
Self-service, I told you everyone have access, right? Let's talk incident.
Yeah.
Okay. So see, if you go to incident, you can see the overview. Oops. It will show you all the graphs. Let me make a marker there. Okay. So let's see. You are working on a enterprise environment where you okay. This all are the new, right? The all blue is new. So you have a
Okay.
632. It's all new tickets. So in in context of the Bank of America, Tony raised a ticket. He's not able to access the system or email account, right? He raised the incident for this, right? There is a 6 2. Likewise, there is other user as well who raise a request for the multiple thing. Okay, fine.
Okay.
You know the active. Active means the people are working on this. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now there is a one ticket. Okay, what happen is if it's always happen if you there is any issue might be for the troubleshooting purpose the team required a person required more information from you, correct? It's what happens. This happened many times, right? If your bank want to deliver any
Yeah.
letter to you, they ask for the pin code. If you're not providing that, they ask for the more information, right? By the message, by mail, anything, correct?
Yeah.
So there is a place on awaiting user information. Okay, this is a dashboard. I can typically say that. Okay,
Yeah.
any issues, any concerns till now?
No.
Okay, that's it. Now we can see the critical incident who are important for the business. If these things affected, the business will be affected. For an instance, if you're going in a bank to deposit money, just say the 5,000 USD or 2,000 USD, okay? On each and every
Okay.
time there should be entry in a business system which will make an entry of 5,000 USD or 2,000 USD against your name, right? Am I right?
Okay. Yeah.
This was
We'll deposit it
against
on
your
my
name.
name, right?
Yes, online, whatever name.
Okay.
Just in case, if that system is down, what will happen? The people won't able
Okay.
to deposit the money. Correct.
Deposit.
So for a business, what is an
Yeah, they
issue?
cannot process it.
It's a priority one issue that should be resolved as soon as possible. Correct.
Yeah.
Let's say, let's take example of the corporate banking. So in a corporate banking, what happens? There's a lots of trades happen, right? On a daily basis, there are million and billions deal happen, right? Correct. Bank
Yeah.
like lots of corporate banking. Okay, they who do, which don't deal in the retail banking. Okay, like Thomas Tudor, and what is that name? I'm not. You demand a couple of names.
Bank of America.
I'm not. No, Bank of America maybe deal in. Okay, Morgan Stanley. Okay, Stanley Morgan. Sorry, they have one bank. Couple of banks who only deal uh, with the corporate deals. Okay, or can see that in a trading, they don't want to open the retail banking sector. Okay, so uh, many banks operate in a retail banking, like they have a small customer, right? Like SBI have a retail banking, correct? Many users or
Okay.
many people have an account with them, but in a corporate banking, only the business houses have an account with them. Okay,
Yeah.
for the, for the larger deal. So what happens? The bank make a deal with banks. Okay, there's a financial firms as well who make a deal with the bank. Okay, just in case,
Yeah.
just take it this way: if if a bank is going to deal with a bank, okay, just for the forex purpose. Okay, for example, if you are sending money to India, okay, just say, not you, let's say the Bank of America is settling the forex with them. Okay, they are sending 1,000 US, not thousand,
Okay.
1 million or 2 billion, okay, USD to them. Okay, just because system is down, they are not
Okay.
able to do a entry, right? What is happening? Just because of
Yeah.
that, they might choose other bank. Okay, not State of SBI, they might choose ICICI, HDFC or Kotak, right? Any bank, right? So in such a way,
Yeah.
they might lose that occasion, or I can see the opportunity, right? They lost that opportunity, right?
Yeah.
So what happened? That was a P1 ticket. So if this is not running, we can't live. Our business is highly impacted, correct?
Yeah.
Any issues, any concern till now?
No.
Okay.
Yeah. No.
Critical overdue, open more than week. So there's a many tickets. There's a 1,019 tickets which are open from last 1 week. Fine. Okay, this is a
Yeah.
dashboard. Okay, when the ticket will
Yeah.
come in your queue, it will be assigned to you. Okay, for an example, there is nothing assigned.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's true. Okay, this customized one. You can see in a group unassigned. I can't show you that the customized one. Just because of development, I did some changes. That's why it's not showing the ticket number. Okay, I don't know I can create or not. Okay, so what I'm doing, I can't show you right now. The reason is behind that I have customized that. Okay,
Okay.
so I'm going
Okay.
back.
Then can I? So that can you show me on the next session?
Sure, I can show you on my in this session. Just give me a second. Okay, how the ticket can come to. Come on. Okay, so after this, we will finish this session for today. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so for example, if I say here that all, I'm going in an admin view right now for now. What happened? Okay, there's a my, come on. Okay, so for instance, he go in a open queue. I just want to show how it will look like. Okay.
Okay.
This is the incident form. Okay.
Okay.
Come on. Okay, so I told you that there will be one number, right? The incident number, right? There will be incident number.
Yeah.
There is a one caller, so there will be a Tony, right? They will belong for the
Yeah.
BOA. They will company name. They will show the department name. I also told you that they will be in some categories, right? They may be
Yeah.
for the database, it may be for the access issue, there may be some portal issues, something is down, something is up, right? That's what it
Yeah.
is. Now this impact is there. What is the impact on the business? Then is the urgency is there, right? So
Yeah.
this is higher. This is a priority, right? When the ticket was opened, who opened the ticket, how they contacted, what is the state, and the assignment group, which group is working on ticket. Like in that
Okay.
scenario, the people was not able to the Tony was not able to log in the email account. The ticket will come to the AD account team, right?
Yeah.
So we define this all in a system. Okay.
Yeah.
Any concerns, any issues till now?
No.
Okay, that's great.
This
Okay.
is ticketing, whatever, what this is the way which we get a ticket, right? This shows
Yes.
the scenario of the ticket, right?
Yes, that's a ticket. So the additional comments, they can write any additional comments. Additional comments will go to the end users by default. Work note, there's some time where we want to make the comments internally only, right? So I want to pass to the team member, just please take a look on this ticket. Okay, so we can add in a work note.
Yeah.
Okay, now this will also give us the all the activities, what happened on the call, how they resolve the call. Okay, now I will show you next session how it happens. Okay, now
Yeah.
there will be the related records. Problem, I told you about the problem change, right? So from the in
Yeah.
a service now in a ITL operations problem ticket, right? Change ticket, you can also get a change ticket caused by a change, right? And the closer
Yeah.
info, who assigned a ticket, who closed the ticket, do you want, there was also one aspect where you can create the knowledge. If knowledge is just a document which may be published by the who resolved that ticket. Okay, if we go in ITIL, quickly show you that. Is that knowledge management problem application enterprise subject application technical management? Yes, in a C, in a knowledge man, in a subject transition knowledge management, right? You can see that.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Okay, fine. So this how it looked like. We have learned about the basic concepts of the ITIL. We have seen the system today. We have also seen about how we can add a role, how we can remove the role. You only need to click on that role edit. Okay, you need to update that, by which when the end user, when a Jack will open his system, he will able to see the four or five modules on left side, right? And when he will go in an incident and assign to me, he will able to find a ticket which is assigned to him only. Okay, any issues, any concerns?
No.
Okay, so how was it? Okay, so I'm just going to close the session for now.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
the couple of things which I would like to ask, we'll connect on next Saturday. Okay, before that I will send you some links, couple of documents as
There is
well.
no class in the next weekdays.
Well, actually we have a timing issues, okay, with that,
Okay.
because you have from 8 to where you have a time. You want to start from 8 till 4, right?
No, even 6 is also fine, right? I'm
No.
waking up at 6 p.m.
Well, actually, when it will be 6 for you, it will be 12 for me, and I will be in office. Okay.
Okay.
So what I'll do, I'll try to schedule some sessions in between, but I will try only. I'm not committing anything. Okay. Let's see the how the timing will work. Because uh 7 6. What
If
you
it is
do?
evening, also fine for me.
Are you fine with the evening 9? Is it fine? 9 or 10? Sorry, it will
Yeah.
be your noon. It will be your 3 or 4. Okay.
Afternoon?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay. So I'll try to sort that out. Not a problem for me. Okay. But usually I
Yeah.
schedule the way because I think it's the admin training, right? Fine.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Any feedback on session? Something good, something bad? What is good? What is bad?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Any feedback? What you didn't like about session?
Yeah, it's good. I liked it today.
What you want me to improve for you? Because each and everyone is different. That's why I asked you.
Yeah, I can understand. But the way the examples are good, that's so that I can understand it easily. So
Yes.
doesn't make any problem for me.
Okay. So the way I'm going, is it fine for you, or I should change my way?
No, it's fine.
It's fine for you. You're understanding the
Yeah.
concept. Okay. So in last 2 days, what we understood the ServiceNow aspect, ServiceNow industry, how the support works. You understood that point as well. What I did.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
Support tickets, how ticket is coming, all the support aspect, right? Okay.
Yes.
Do you want to change anything in a session? Let me know. I can check it from my end. Do you want to add something in terms of what I'm explaining you, or if you're not if you're not able to get the example, because what happened is uh, everyone, I try to relate the examples from the uh, your experience. Okay, like I
Yeah.
related all the things from your college only, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so you're fine with that, or you want me to change the things? I can change that. That's not a problem for me. Okay.
No, this is okay. This is the way it's good.
Okay, that the way is fine. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Take a nap now. Okay,
Yeah.
then
So we don't have the class tomorrow at this time, right?
no, we don't have. I have an office for tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, what I'll
Okay.
do, I will confirm. Okay,
Okay.
I will
When you
send.
schedule anything, then let me know.
Yeah, sure. I will send you some documentation, some links. Please take a look on that. Okay.
Yeah.
We have a common group. I think me, you, and Anshuman. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we can communicate
Okay.
on that.
He's not there in the session today, right?
Yeah, I know. He informed me. I am going to arrange him in another session. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Anything else which we can discuss?
No, that's it.
Cool.
Can
Yeah, sure.
uh, I think I can't save the video today.
Okay.
It's been not saving in my system. So if you
Okay.
can send me that, that would be helpful.
Sure, that will be
And
great. No
can you
problem.
send me the PPT of yesterday's and
Sure.
today's class?
Yeah.
Yep.
Uh,
Thank you.
Don't worry. I will send you each and everything, whatever you are owning.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you.
Enjoy those Sunday morning. Cool. Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Good night.